Hi class 11, let's continue our class mathematics class, right? So far we have done up to 1.3, right? So today we'll start next topic is your Venn diagram. Okay, so write down Venn diagram, uh, Venn diagram. Okay, so this is British logician made this diagram. Okay, so usually in 1834. Okay, so what it gives is that, see, you have rectangular represent as a set, okay, which is universal, okay, and others are called the subset of u. Let us say a. Okay, so this is how this vein represent the set. Okay, so universal set, and this is your subset of u, isn't it? So next we have operation on set. Okay, so write down operation on set. Venn diagram understood. So usually our universal set चाहिँ के हुन्छ, रेक्टेंगुलरमा रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ, ओके, सबसे ठुलो, देन अरु चाहिँ के हो, सबसेट, ओके, अफ युनिभर्सल सेट. क्लियर? So next you have to write this is how this is helpful in your next topic. Okay, so write down operation on sets. So operation on sets, like in arithmetic operation, what we have, what are the operation in arithmetic, you know, isn't it? Plus, minus, into, and divide. We done this one, isn't it? Or in scalar mathematics, these are the operation in your mathematics. Whatever you done in mathematics up to class 10, you have done this plus, minus, into, and divide, isn't it? So what in operation on set we have, first write down union of sets. Clear? First is your union of sets. So write down union of set is denoted by this one, cap u. Okay, but it looks like cap u, but in mathematics software it is there, isn't it? So this is called, if I write a, this symbol, and b, then this is read as a union b. Okay, clear? So next write down int r. So this is your what is this? This is the set, okay, x, such that x belongs to a, or you have to add, isn't it, x belongs to b. So this is your union. So here example is there in your book, just go through it, you will understand. Okay, so now write down some properties of operation of union. So now write down properties. Okay, so write down properties of union of set. Okay, properties. So there are 5 properties. Okay, so first one is your a union b equals to how much, b union a. So that means in your previous scalar, a plus b equals to how much, b plus a. So यताबाट जोड या पछाडिबाट जोड, एउटै हो कुरा. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकेन्ड वान इज योर एसोसिएटिभ, isn't it? a union b union c equals to a union b union c. भन्नुको मतलब यो चाहिँ एसोसिएटिभ प्रपर्टी चाहिँ नि, यो दुईटाको युनियन निकालेर फेरि युनियन निकाल, या यो दुईटाको निकालेर फेरि यो भन्नु मतलब जताबाट गर्दा पनि के हुन्छ, एन्सर चाहिँ सेमै आउँछ भनेको. ओके, so third one is your a union phi equals to a. That means a plus 0 equals to how much, a, isn't it? Yes or no? In your our scalar mathematics. Likewise, a union phi, nothing is your the thing, isn't it? Clear? And this is called identity. Okay, this is called identity. in your scalar mathematics, 0 is your identity of addition, isn't it? So next, A union A, how much? This is also A. Clear? So this is called idempotent. Okay, idempotent means same. If you union, then you'll get the same, isn't it? Next, you have 5. Union of union set equals to how much? The union, isn't it? So this is called law of union. Clear? So these are the laws. Now next one is your, this is your union. Next one is your intersection, isn't it? Union. Then comes intersection of set. Union done, isn't it? Now write down intersection of sets. So next one is your intersection of sets. So write down intersection of set. Intersection of sets is denoted by this n. Okay, clear? So if I write A intersection B, okay, we read is at A intersection B. Okay, that means those element you have to write those element. This is the set where x such that x belongs to A and, okay, x belongs to B. Clear? This set is your A intersection B. There are example, you just go through it. Now next, write down properties of intersection. So write down properties. इसको property change गर्छ ल. Properties of intersection. So next, write down first here also 5 properties. First one is your commutative. A intersection B equals to B intersection A. Clear? Second one is your A intersection B intersection C gara ya A intersection B intersection C gara. Same kura also. Okay, associative. Next one is your identity and law of U. Third one is your phi intersection A equals to how much? A. Clear? Sorry, phi intersection A equals to how much? Phi. Next one is your, fourth one is your U intersection A equals to how much? A. Isn't it? Sano says ma. Fourth ma cha timro A intersection A equals to A. Next, fifth one is your A intersection B union C equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. So this is your distributive law, isn't it? Over distributive law of intersection over union. Clear? So now next one is your difference of set. Set ko difference. Okay, difference of set. So difference of set, write down difference of set. Difference of set is denoted by minus. Okay, so A minus B is read as A B difference with A. Okay, so के हुन्छ यसमा चाहिँ just simply if you write that if I had set then like 1 2 3 and set B as 2, then what would be the A minus B? This simple example. Okay, so A minus B equals to how much? Leave this one, write others also only. So 1 3. So this is your difference. Clear? So I hope you clear. So book agadi rakha. Okay, and exercise 1.4 gara x union of y, how much? I'll do 1. Okay, then nothing is there in this exercise. You can do it, isn't it? So So find, isn't it, exercise 1.4, right? So x equals to how much? 1 comma 3 comma 5. Y equals to how much? 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? Just see the elements then write. Okay, so x union y equals to how much? 1 1 दुई खेप लेख्नु पर्दैन. Okay, so 2 3 also 2 times, isn't it? Only 1 times, right? Then 5. So this is your answer. Clear? यसरी गर्दै गर्दै जाऊ. Okay, you can do it. See question number 11. See, if R is the set of real number and Q is the set of rational number, then what is R minus Q? So real number को set में क्या होता है? Real number, set of real number contains rational as well as irrational number. So R minus Q equals to how much? Irrational number, right? Irrational number. Okay. So अरु त ठिकै छ, गर्छ. अरु त disjoint means where there is no intersection, isn't it? So that means disjoint means A intersection B equals to 5. Clear? So hope you're doing this one. Then next one is your complement of set. Very important. Here we have De Morgan theorem, okay, or De Morgan law. So complement of set पहिला बुझ्नु पर्छ. Okay, if you understand then you can do it. So write down complement of sets. त्यहाँ किन सेतो हुँदैछ? So write down complement of sets. Venn diagram done. So write down complement of sets. So complement of sets. So this is nothing but first understand. Okay, see, if I have this as universal set U and is some set. Okay, so a complement means U. Okay, yes, no, U minus of a is your a complement, isn't it? A हटाइदियो, जति बच्छ त्यसलाई नै के भन्छ? complement of a. Okay, so definition you know, isn't it? Just see, definition is there. So a dash is a set x such that x belongs to U. Okay, and x does not belongs to a हुनुपर्छ ल. यो हो तिम्रो complement. Definition of complement of set. Okay, now De Morgan, one famous logician or mathematician, De Morgan done some some properties. Okay, so write down some properties of complement set. Okay, now complement you understood, isn't it? कुरा बुझ्दै छैन? ए को complement के हुन्छ? युनिभर्सल सेट को ए बाट घटाइदियो. Okay, so that is your, or universal set मा a घटाइदियो, that is your complement. Not a is your complement of a, isn't it? Clear? So now write down properties of complement of set. So properties. Okay, so very important. यो पढेन गएन भने नेक्स्ट च्याप्टर बुझ्दैन ल नानी हो ल. So first complement laws, write down complement laws. First one is your a union a dash equals to how much? U. Why? Side मा draw गर. This is your explanation. See, this is your a and this is your U. So a union of a complement, isn't it? भन्नु मतलब यो र यो भनेपछि यो हुन्छ, isn't it? Yes or no? This is your a complement, isn't it? So a union a complement, that is whole universal set. Clear? Next, second one is your a intersection of a dash. कति हुन्छ? A intersection of a dash, how much will you get? You will get 5. हेर त यो र यसको इन्टरसेक्सन के भएको छ, नथिङ इज देयर, isn't it? So next write down. Second one is your De Morgan law. Okay, De Morgan law. De Morgan says that first, if I have A union B complement, or complement of A union B equals to how much? Complement of A intersection complement of B. Here A union B gara, okay. Sorry, complement also, isn't it? So first draw this one to understand this. So this is your U and this is your A and this is your B. Okay, so A B. So A union B complement this one, isn't it? That is equals to how much? A complement intersection B complement, isn't it? So here you have A complement as well as B complement. Clear? So next what he said is that if I have A intersection B complement, okay, then what happens? Then it happens what next? A dash intersection, sorry, union, A complement union of B complement. Clear? So here यहाँबाट बुझिहाल्छ A intersection B गर this one, isn't it? Then complement whole things, isn't it? That means A complement union B complement. Clear? Diagram draw गर. Third law is your A dash of dash, that is A complement of complement is A, isn't it? So next fourth one is your phi को complement के हुन्छ U, isn't it? Then U को complement के हुन्छ phi हुन्छ. Very important, these are clear. So now do this question answer, and 1 2 you can do, just I'll do fill in the blanks to make each of the following true statement. So A union of B complement, how much will you get? A union of B complement, see how much will you get? So A union of A complement, so A union, this is your U, isn't it? 7 को fill in the blanks here. A union of A complement equals to U, isn't it? Just see and do all the exercise 1.5. if you don't understand this, then I'll do. तिमीले भन्नुपर्छ नि त बुझेन भने. Next topic, today I will finish this chapter, okay? So practical problem on union and intersection of two set, okay? So practical problem मा के हुन्छ, यो सजिलो छ ल. Very easy topic, complement and union of set को practical problem, okay? So first write down, let A and B are finite set, means which is countable, okay? Finite set. Then what happens if, then what happens, number of A union B equals to how much? Number of A plus number of element in B minus number of A intersection B, okay? Clear? Then if number of A intersection B happens, then what next? Next we have N A union B equals to how much? NA plus NB, okay? Very simple. यो दुईटामा तिम्रो यो एक्सरसाइज सकेको छ, okay? So yes, so there are what problem, okay? See, X and Y are given, isn't it? 1.6 X and Y are given, isn't it? So those are the sets number, isn't it? So exercise बुझेन भने भन्नु ल तिम्रो फेरि, नभए next chapter is very important due to this set, okay? Set is very important for next chapter. So exercise 1.6, write on exercise 1.6. what is this? So x and y are two sets. Okay, so solution, write down number 1. So given n x equals to how much? 17, and y equals to how much? 23, and x union y equals to how much? 38. You have to find n x intersection y, isn't it? What? So write down, we know n x union y equals to how much? Na plus ny minus n x, sorry, this is your x, x intersection y, right? So this is given, this is given, this is given, so you have to find this one. So this is how much? 38 plus nx how much? 17, sorry, equals to 17 plus 23 minus n x intersection y. Clear? So 38 as it is equals to this how much? 14, 15, 5, 1, 3. Four, isn't it? So minus n x intersection y. So 38 minus 11, 45 equals to minus n x intersection y. So this two will get 45 minus 38, 15, 8, 7, isn't it? 7. So 45, 57 minus 7 intersection y. So minus minus gone, left like this, and x intersection y equals to 7. So त्यसरी गर. Okay, there are what problem, okay, do it. So this much for today class. बुझेन भने सोध्नु ल. Thank you class.